guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Preeti and I make makeup related videos. Today I'm gonna create this look, which is a glittery liner look, and I hope you like it. If you wanna know how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm starting up with moisturizing my face. Taking a concealing brush and applying the concealer onto my lids. I'm using kryolan today. Just blending everything and creating a clean slate to create our glitter liner look. I'm taking a black shade onto my outer corners and blending it with a red eyeshadow and smudging everything. I'm taking concealer onto my inner lids and creating semicircle. Now I'll be taking this orange shade and placing it all over my lids. Today's look gonna be a sunset glitter liner look, so that's why I'll be using black and orange shade and matching to my dress even. Now blending everything. Now I'm taking this liquid liner from Stay Quirky. I'll be applying it like a normal liner with a small wing. Now I'm taking this liquid glitter from Sivanna in the shade silver. Now I'll be placing it very finely over the black liner I've previously applied. You can do a little bit corrections, but don't apply very thick liner. It should be ultra thin. It's my first time applying this eyeliner, so it's taking a lot of time and efforts, but little practice will make you good at this. Now I'm taking orange and black shade under my eyes, applying kohl from K Beauty, blending everything to create the perfect smoky look. The final step is to apply the mascara, taking off the tapes. So this is the look, guys. I'm clearing the excess fallouts, if any. Now coming onto the face, I'll be using this concealer from Wet n Wild, placing it under eyes and blending it with a brush. This will create a very clean look. Our eye makeup will look very perfect and on point. After that, I'm taking this corrector from kryolan and orange. I'll be placing on my dark spots on my face. Taking PAC foundation in 2.3. Taking a little bit of it and spreading it all over my face using a Real Techniques brush. Now setting everything with a beauty blender. Now I'm setting my face with this Wet n Wild highlight and contour palette. Filling in my brows with brown eyeshadow. Using an angled brush for this. Highlighting the inner corners with silver eyeshadow. Cleaning off any fallouts. Applying this pink blush. Very thin layer of it because I don't want to go heavy bold today on blush. I'm contouring my face with the same brush and just blending everything. As you can see, I haven't done heavy contouring today. Now I'm taking this pigment from pack and I'm just highlighting my highlighting areas. This is a very good pigment for highlighting. Now comes the final part. I'm taking this lip cream from NYX and it is a very peachy pink shade. It will go perfectly with our look. All the shades would be mentioned in description. I'm just forgetting the shade name. I'll be mentioning it in description. I'm taking this lip gloss from Clinique. It is in very light berry shade. The final step is to curl your lashes and woof, you're done. I hope you like the final look as I do. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. And also, if you're new here, do subscribe to my channel.